My name is Jordan, and I'll be reading The Rifle by Gary Paulsen. It is necessary to know this rifle. In 1768, west of Pennsylvania, a man named Cornish McCary established a new gunsmithing business. He was 35 years old and had no apprentice, and then an assistant. He had an apprentice and an assistant to a master gunsmith named John Wainwright. Was nearly 14 years old. Wainwright had spent much of his life perfecting and corporizing a rifle, putting a set of squirreling grooves down the bore of a rifle to spin, and thereby stabilizing a patched ball as it spent on its way. And it was said that his rifling was unique. He used a twist of 1/4 in 40 inches, slightly faster than others who made rifle barrels, and his slight increase made the ball spin faster and become more stable, or fixed on its trajectory. Because rifling a bore was historically speaking a revent of new complete less than a century old, most rifles were not as accurate as they could be. But compare to smoothbore guns, which were most definitely not accurate and allowed balls to wobble to the side and actually take off in curved trajectories, rifles were immensely important. Rifles were immensely important. But with the field of rifling, there was a wide, vast vision. Some rifles were not as accurate as others. This accuracy was based on how they were made and who made them. Many were simply unlikely rifles, good at 50 to 60 yards. Still much better than smoothbore, and a man were happy with that. But now and then, with a great rarity, there came a blend of steel and wood and brass, and a man's knowledge into one rifle. Then it all came together just exactly right, and a weapon of such beauty, accuracy was born, that might even be actually worshipped. Such rifles were called sweet, and almost literally priceless. In the time, weapons were much more important than they are now, were indeed vital to survival by putting food on the table and defending for life. And a sweet rifle was reverent and adored. What made such a rifle sweet rifle so rare is that even a gunsmith made one achievement such as pinnacle of art. There was absolutely no guarantee that he could ever be able to do it again. It was said that a bad gunsmith could never make a sweet rifle, but that even a great gunsmith might make only one in his life. Wainwright was a competent gunsmith and could make several weapons that he lacked. He lacked a spark of genius that could make him brilliant. His rifles were planned, furbished, dispended, and would be a sweet.